Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm back with another makeup tutorial for you guys today. I am using the Colourpop Hocus Pocus palette again, and I just wanted to use it again because the reaction that I got on my first one was really good. You guys really seemed to like it. The engagement was really good, so I just thought that I would use it again for you guys today. So first thing I'm doing is priming my eyes. I like to prime with concealer, set it into place with some translucent powder. This is the Colourpop Hocus Pocus palette. This is what it looks like if you haven't seen it yet. I love all the shades in this palette. Today I am playing around with the olive green tones, but first I'm going into this light pink cool tone shade, and I'm just going to be applying this in my crease as our first transition color. I just wanted something a little bit like a light wash in the crease first so that all the shades that we apply after are going to blend seamlessly, because we are going to be going in with quite dark colors, so I wanted to give it something to blend into. Next, I'm going into this shade right here. It's a dark, deep olive green with my angled brush, and I'm just applying a line of definition, going all the way from the outer corner to the inner corner, really focusing on the center of my crease. I am going a little bit higher than my natural crease. I want to give myself a little bit more lid space. But to blend out that line of definition, I'm grabbing my small tapered brush and I'm mixing on Toast and Bewitched together, and this is just going to give us a lighter color. I felt like it would be too light if I used the first one and too dark for the second one, so this is just a happy medium. I'm just going in left and right motions over top of that line. So next, I'm just grabbing my angled brush with some concealer, and I just carved my crease, and I'm also using it to set my lid as well, just packing that over top. And then I'm grabbing a small compact brush with some translucent powder, and I'm just going to be setting that into place. And this is going to ensure that that concealer doesn't move anywhere once we apply the next few shades over top of our lid. Next up, I'm grabbing this silver metallic shade, and I'm just going to be applying this on the center half of my lid. And super pigmented, super gorgeous color. I literally just wet my brush with some Fix Plus and it just applied really seamlessly, has really good pigment. And then I'm going into the dark olive metallic shade, and I'm just going to be applying this on the outer half of my lid and just kind of doing swiping motions to blend that into that silver shade. And then I'm going back into Bewitched with a small compact brush, and I'm just going to be packing that on the outer corner. And once I've packed on the majority of that pigment, I'll do sweeping motions to blend it into that metallic green shade. And I'm super specific on how I blend it. You don't want to blend too far because then you will kind of wipe away that metallic shade. You don't want to take away that pigmentation. So I did it really delicately. And then I grabbed my NYX glitter glue and just applied a line of glitter glue first. And then I went into my Violet Voss Venus glitter. It's my favorite silver glitter, absolutely obsessed with it. And then I'm just peeling off my tape. And for lashes today, I'm applying my Morphe Heartbreaker lashes. For the lower lash line, I'm simply just using the light orange color in the Hocus Pocus palette with my smudger brush, and I'm just applying this, focusing this on the outer half of my lower lash line. And then I'm grabbing my Fenty Full Frontal mascara and just coating my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm going into my Pixie highlight and just applying that on the inner corner. And this is the finished look right here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all of your guys' support. And also don't forget to check out our personal channels. We did each make our own personal channels, so if you guys want to check it out, just hit it on the end screen. I have the videos popped up on the end screen if you guys are interested in checking out those channels. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!